talking through my voice, yeah, that's the plan. Drip like water, yeah, they got land. I've been in demand. I've been in demand, but supply is shortening. But I don't really care, I can get an endorsement. Drip like Watson, kicks like Jordan. I've been going hard, O2, Nelly Portman.
Look over in demand, fucking up everybody equilibrium. And fuck the sunk cost, motherfuckers better swim. And the entrepreneurs better find a new ship. Cause I'm about to rock the boat like Rocky Balboa. I can't kick the can, I don't even drink soda. Wanna kiss me goodbye, just please keep in mind that I pre for my kisses a little bit lower.
And by getting lower, he actually mean getting top. I've been on the road carrying shit, bellhop. Always in my verses with a nice reward gift shop. We been cooking fire 2020 K-Block.
And we already won 2021. You think you ahead? Well, we had hunt. I follow my gut like Pocahontas. Cause in the end, it just be us.
And you just a bench warmer, Gus Bus. If you got that line, I'll offer to discuss. If you want the climax, then get suspicious. We been living life 2030, Elon Musk.
We been living large like a fucking trended cup. Cause just saying large don't really do it. Just put an X before the L and 400 on the scale. And man, shit, we just halfway there.
We actually the halfway they get blown up. We been popping since carbonated soda. We been getting green since before Yoda. We been riding the wave even before Noah.
I been eating cat before Doja like some fucking leftovers. She so tired of vibrating. She fucked the PS5 controller. Recorded like you David Dobrik. Save it to our favorite folder. You already know we cashing in. Only fans in high demand.
Yeah, we got demand, so we rolling. This speed is nasty. On it, we atrocious. Our flow is 140 hertz. We're moving in motion. We still moving that white PS5, Katie Nolan. Yeah, we in demand. Yeah, that's the plan. I've been talking to my subreddits. I've been banned. Cooking fire, no caveman. Nothing can stop us. 03, Hugh Jackman.
Nothing can stop us. Not even a fucking pandemic. I make you eat your words, rehearse them back. Ooh, that's poetic. Voice in my head saying get 'em. I'm just glad that someone said it. Hit the gym, getting shredded like some fucking confetti. Tell your bitch hop off, call that bitch bouncing Betty. We ain't run from nothing, what we look like getting sweaty. I left her at the altar, took too long to get ready. Girl, I'm in high demand, thought I told you that already.
Yeah, I'm in high demand like toilet paper. I can see as far as it can go. Reach skyscraper, smooth it out, rough around the edge of sandpaper. We been in demand since that Windows XP wallpaper. Already told you I had demons with me, but they just left me to get ready. I've been keeping this verse hot all day, no Yeti. I've been cooking that sauce, no spaghetti. I've been cooking with the cannon, no confetti, yeah. Car, should I keep going? I feel like I said plenty.
Stop it, have mercy, man. You killing them, I swear.